Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a sort of like nighttime hair growth routine for you guys. You guys voted on the community tab that I do like a hair routine for you guys because I've been doing more like, you know, talky videos. So this is sort of like a nighttime routine because this is something that you want to do at night, and then in the morning you will just take out the style. I don't really have a lot to say besides thank you guys so much for the recent support on my videos that I've been uploading, like these little announcements here and there, and I'm super grateful for you guys. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. I'm going to go ahead and start with sectioning off my hair. Off camera I did wash my hair, and this is actually a heatless blowout that I did. And then I did each section and put my growth oil on each section. So I'm going to show you guys the process. The technique, the result is still going to be the same as far as the nutrients that your hair is going to be soaking up. So what I do is I first start with sectioning my hair into 4 sections. So off camera, I'm gonna just do this on this one section because I already did it all over my hair. What I did is I took my hair growth oil, which is the Nourish by Shawntas Stimulating Scalp and Hair Oil, and I pretty much take the oil and I do that and I'm just gonna put it on each section. And what I did after I did like my heatless blowout is I put the oil on each section, and then I pretty much like twist my hair into this like bantu knot looking thing, which this is a really bad one, but I'm just showing you guys. And you can wear your hair like that to sleep, and what it's gonna do is it's going to pretty much soak up, your hair's gonna pretty much soak up the oil, and it's going to make your hair very soft and manageable in the morning when you actually, you know, go ahead and twist your hair or braid your hair. And if you are doing this the same day, you would just walk around for a few hours and then take it down and start your braiding or twisting process. It really does soak up the oil, and it makes your hair a lot more manageable with this oil because this oil is absolutely amazing for making the hair soft and manageable. Beautiful ingredients in it that your hair is going to definitely thank you for. And you guys can find all the products that I mentioned in today's video down in the description box, and this one in particular is on Amazon as well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and begin the process. Go ahead and put this Angelic Cocoa No Separation 2-in-1 conditioner all over this section of my hair, and I absolutely love this conditioner. It's super hydrating and moisturizing. You guys are gonna notice that I'm not going to be spraying my hair with the water today because I want my like braids to be a little bit like wavy, and if I put water on my hair of any kind, it's gonna make it more curly looking. I'm gonna take some of the conditioner and put it all over the section. Next, I'm gonna take some of the Angelic Cocoa Clear Course Jelly, and I'm just gonna put that on my hair as well, which is so amazing. It has aloe vera gel in it, and it's not like your typical gel because it doesn't make your hair super hard. It's a jelly, and it really does work really good on your hair. I just like gels that keep health in mind when they are being formulated, and that's exactly what the Angelic Cocoa Clear Course Jelly does. And my hair already feels so soft from this routine, I swear. Like, it just feels so soft and just luxurious and healthy. So yeah, absolutely loving this routine. I absolutely love doing this to make sure that my hair is like manageable and just growing and flourishing. With these products, with the Native American inspired ingredients, it really does take the routine up like 10 notches. So when I get to the ends of my hair, I'm going to take a little bit more of the clear quartz jelly and just rub that all over that section. So I'm pretty much going to do this all over my hair. Add the Angelic Cocoa No Separation conditioner to my hair. You want like a super extra boost and you really do suffer from dry hair, you would definitely benefit from adding the Heavenly Cloud Soft Moisture Serum to this routine, and it'll boost your moisture even more. Off camera, I did put on this Gaia Dreams Deep Restore Scalp Nectar, and I put that on my hair, like my scalp. These type of styles really work for hair growth, as well as making sure that your hair is manageable, and it just keeps your hair intact throughout the week as well. Fast hair growth, things like that, because you are locking in so many great nutrients from this routine. Now, of course, the key is to use products that have amazing ingredients in it that are formulated, you know, to help your hair be healthy and nice. If you use bad products, you're actually going to be locking in the bad ingredients. So you want to make sure that you're using some amazing products. But if you are using amazing products plus this routine, you're going to get some amazing results. And yeah, so I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to put this on my hair, and I'm going to actually leave this in my hair overnight. You can do it for a couple hours, but with my hair, my texture of my hair, if I don't leave this in overnight, my waves will not be as nice. Okay guys, so this is the next day. I took out my braids. My hair is so moisturized and fluffy, and sometimes I wear this out as a braid out, and other times I just, you know, wear my hair out as a braid out, and then I will re-braid it the next day because it doesn't last for that long, but it's still a very amazing style because it has so many beautiful benefits to wearing this style and, you know, doing this every night. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching.